Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Chrissy's Point of View. Yes, you may be wondering, why does Chrissy have on a chef hat today? Because today is International Chef's Day, and in commemoration of International Chef's Day, we are going to cook together. So grab a pen, grab a paper, and get the recipe for a banana cake. So you will be needing ripe bananas, sugar, flour, a little bit of baking soda, salt, a little bit of milk, 2 eggs. Did I forget anything else? I don't think so. I will state the recipe at the bottom of the video. Oh, and sugar. Your mixing bowl, the hand mixer, and yeah, I think that's about it. Let's go. So to save time, people, I have blended 4 bananas, ripe bananas, in this small blender. It will save you a lot of time, and that is what we want. We want something quick, right? A little treat for the family. In a separate bowl, we are going to cream the butter with some sugar. So try to make it become as creamy as possible. So I have just added 2 eggs to my mixture. 1 egg at a time, and I'm letting that cream blended bananas to the mixture, and I'm mixing that around. For the freshness, I have added 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So to my butter, I'm adding 2 cups of flour along with 1 tablespoon of baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I'm sifting it, and I'm gradually adding a 1/2 cup of milk with 1 teaspoon of lime juice. I continue stirring in until all the flour and all the milk has been added. So this is how your batter should look. Right, when it's done. To this, I'm going to add some glazed fruit cherries to it. You can add nuts if you want. So we are going to put the cake in the oven very soon. First, we must grease the pans and line them with greaseproof paper so it can, when it is complete, it can come out of the pan easily. I know that the recipe is calling it banana cake, but it looks more like a banana loaf based by texture of the batter. I am now going to put this in my oven to bake at 325 for an hour. So y'all, I hoped y'all took notes, and while we wait for that to bake in the oven, we are now going to make a sweet potato pie by a recipe by yours truly. I didn't read this recipe anywhere. I made it up on my own. Please stay tuned. Hi y'all, so I've just put 4 large potatoes in the pot to boil. I have all peeled my potatoes, so it will be very easy for me to mash it up when it is complete. Look at these beauties. Look at these beauties. So the cake has come out of the oven, the loaf, more like a loaf, and I stick my knife in it now. Clean knife. So y'all, I'm going to put the potato in a plate so it can cool, and I'm going to cut each potato in 4 pieces so it can cool faster, and we want it to cool very fast. While I am doing that, I am going to peel an onion and take out the seeds from a sweet pepper because I have to blend it together so it can grind very small to put in the pie. So this is the sweet pepper and the onion. Here I am going to blend this up now. So this is what it looks like blended, the onion and the sweet pepper all blended. You see how softly, if it is you blend it up or you use the food processor, this is what it looks like. Okay, in a bowl I have put the sweet potato and I have cut it up in smaller pieces, and now I am going to mash them like mashed potato so that it will become a smooth mixture, if you understand what I mean. To do like a smooth mixture, and you keep doing like this, right, until you get a smooth mixture. So this is how the mashed sweet potato is supposed to look like when it's complete. And now I'm going to add my sweet pepper and my onion to that and mix it up. After mixing it up, I am making sure it is evenly spreaded all through the mixture. And I'm going to add a little bit of ketchup, mustard, and a little bit of pepper to it. Now you will notice that it became a bit moist when you added the ketchup, mustard, and pepper. Now I'm adding grated cheese to the mixture so that it can hold together while baking. Now you grease your Pyrex dish in preparation for putting the mixture in. So this is how it's gonna look when it's in the pan. You just like smooth it out with the back of a spoon, and you can grate some cheese over that. So I have grated some cheese and sprinkled it on the pie along with some breadcrumbs. That is the brown thing you see on top. I'm going to put this in the oven for 350 degrees and for 30 minutes to an hour. Yes, I know today's vlog was a vlog of difference, big difference. I hope you did enjoy it. I hope you learned a lot and you took notes. Sweet potato is a very healthy type of provision, ground provision. Has a lot of minerals, iron, and it's very, very healthy for you, healthier than normal English potatoes or Idaho potatoes. Also an excellent source of B vitamins and fiber. Okay? I have been eating sweet potatoes for a while in my process of losing weight, 20 pounds in about 2.5 months. Some years ago, I started eating sweet potato, and it has done wonders for me based on keeping you full for a longer period of time. I boil sweet potatoes all the time. Sometimes I eat sweet potato with scrambled eggs or boiled eggs in the morning. They say that's a type of European breakfast. But sweet potatoes are very, very healthy for you. I hope that you have enjoyed today's vlog. Again, I hope I have given you value. And please click the link below. I have an extra gift for you at the bottom of this video. Click the link below, right? And see you next time on Chrissy's Point of View. And to all the chefs out there, happy Chefs International Day.